Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack. This is how to delete all of Facebook Messenger. So guys, if you ever wondered how to delete all the Facebook Messenger, what you could try to do at first is of course you just simply go ahead and go to your Messenger application. So from here to delete all, you have to go to each conversation and you will have an option over here, delete, and tap on delete over here. And now, sadly, guys, there are no way on the messenger to delete a conversation all at once. So you have to do it all manually. And now, after you have done that, of course, to delete it, you could just simply go ahead and uninstall the app even and tap on uninstall over here. And of course, make sure you are not keeping the 224 MB of app data and select OK down below. And if you want to delete the Facebook as well, you can do that as well by tapping on it and you will have an option disable over here. So guys, since my application of Facebook is a default application on my phone, I cannot delete it. I can only disable it. So disabling it will also not be showing up in your system unless you enable it again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.